Howdy engineering programming, my name is Ronnie Ains and I'll be going over the function of my signal generator / oscilloscope. So let us begin. Here we have the signals and I'm going to set it to DC. Here's our offset function along with the time scale and the voltage. Once we go to sine wave, we can adjust the frequency. We can trigger the function. And here goes the square wave. There's the duty cycle we can adjust as well. There's our sawtooth, sorry about that. And the triangle. We have our noise, turn it on. We have Gaussian uniform, really noisy, not so noisy, go to uniform. If uniform, there we go. Kind of noisy, not so noisy, but enough of that. Now let's go on to the fast Fourier transform. There we go for a triangle, the sawtooth, square, sine, and absolutely nothing for DC. Trigger did not help that either. And here we can save the image in the data set. We do JPEG, PNG, BMP, or an Excel text and binary. Howdy again, boom. And how about just good old fashioned howdy. And here we stop. Thank you for standing by and viewing my presentation of my signal generator / oscilloscope.